All right, so you completed that first section, and now it's time for exercises. So with exercises, I want you to draw mini faces from the front view, and be sure to use the template that I provide. Don't just trace over. You need to trace over it a few times to get a feel for it, but make sure to measure and draw every time. I know it's tedious. You don't want to do it. It's boring. But what it does is it trains your memory to memorize the proportions of the face. That way later on, when you're just sketching and drawing for fun, you won't have to measure anymore. You'll just be able to freely draw the face, at least for right now, from the front view, and the proportions will be correct. This right here is the most important part of this entire course. I know that sounds crazy because it seems so simple. You think that how to draw the eye is really important. No, this right here is the most important part, the foundation. It is what everything is built on. If this doesn't look right, your faces won't look right. So please take the time and really practice this to get it down to where it looks good. Once you have the proportions down right and it looks good, then you're ready to move on to the next part. All right, so get to drawing.